Thanks for tuning in. It is time to do another review of a watch that I actually bought quite a while ago. But before we get started, this is what I'm wearing today. This is the Felita Aquaterra Shades homage in a green. It's gorgeous. And that'll be a little foreshadowing or preview as to what I'm going to be reviewing next week. But the watch today is a Tandorio that I bought. When did I buy this? August 23rd, 2023. So it was a while ago, and it's taken me. I don't know why I didn't look at it before today. I think probably because I wasn't in the mood to do videos at that point, and I was in the process of collecting. So their packaging is pretty standard. You get a hang tag, owner's manual, etc., etc. Now this watch, if you watched my last week's video, you'll notice it was on my wrist. But I thought I'd package it up in the packaging to give you an idea of what you get when it comes from China. And it's called the GG-W-113. I had to look really long and hard on the web to find out the model number because it's not on the AliExpress listing, and I had to match it up to pictures on Tandorio's own website. So it's an homage to the Hamilton Khaki field, and it's available with two different movement choices. You can get the NH35, which is what I chose here, and you can also get it with the PT5000, which is a little bit more money. It's got a power reserve of 40 hours, and the NH35 has a vibrations per hour rating of 21,600, or if you get the PT5000, it'll have 28,800. The case is 316L stainless steel, and it's finished very, very nicely. Nicer than I would expect for a watch for this price. The case diameter is 39 millimeters. The bezel diameter is 37.5 millimeters. All these measurements that I'm telling you, I did with my caliper tool, which I did offline because you probably didn't want to see me fumble with it. I'm pretty clumsy with it. So yes, dial diameter. The actual dial diameter is 34 millimeters. The Lug To Lug, so where the spring bar to spring bar measurement is 45.5 millimeters, but the case wing length is 48.5. The thickness is 12.2. That's from the top of the crystal to the bottom of the case back. The lug width is 20 millimeters, and the leather strap that it comes on is really nice. It's nice and robust. The quality of the leather is soft and supple, and you can see where those wear marks are after a week plus. It's starting to give way, but it's still in really good shape, and the quality feels really nice. Now, I finally got myself a Diamond Selector 2. It says it's Sapphire. Let's see if it actually is. And yes, it is. The dial applied Arabic numerals with Lume, and you'll see a Lume shot at the end of the video as usual, time lapsed. It's got a screw down crown, which is sterile, and a screw down case back. Water resistance is claimed at 200 meters, and the weight on this strap is a very light 74 grams. So it's really, really, it's a very, very comfortable wear. Like you can forget you're wearing it. I bought it with my own money from the Tandorio Official Store on AliExpress, and I'll leave the link to that listing in the description. Despite the fact that I bought it over a year ago, the listing is still active with the current price. Now, over a year ago, I paid with discounts and coupons Canadian dollars of $70.86, and that's roughly equivalent to $49.51 US. August 23rd, 2023 is when I bought it, and it actually arrived on my doorstep on September 6th. So that's pretty good transit time. Had I waited for the 11/11 sale, maybe it would have been cheaper. I don't know. You can also buy it directly from Tandorio's website, and I'll leave the link in the description. I don't plan on selling this watch unless I save up enough to get the actual Hamilton Khaki. But again, I mean, the Hamilton Khaki is 10 times more expensive than this, maybe more. So I'm not sure if that's worth my money, because I really, really enjoy this. I think that this is a very satisfying wear. But I do have some other my watches for sale from my collection that I'm not deciding to keep because they don't fit in my lifestyle, and those links are in the description below. So here we go with a elapsed Lume shot, and I'll do a wrist roll in there as well. Thanks again for watching, and have yourself a great day.